DecoNetwork makes it easy to edit, remove, or copy a page. Simply come into the Pages section, select the page that you want to edit, and simply drag and drop the content onto the page. Now, if you want to copy a page, it's as simple as coming to Pages and clicking Copy. If you want to remove, as in delete the page, come to Remove and you can do so. If you don't see the remove option on a page, that means it's a system page and you simply can't do it. Now that doesn't mean you can't hide it from the menu or turn the page off. So if you see it up here in the header menu, that means it's the show in menu is checked. Now unchecking this will take it out of the header. If I come into advanced settings and I turn it off, it'll take it out of the header and the page will be off. Just know that just because you don't see the page in the header here doesn't mean that the page is necessarily off. It's just not being displayed. I know a page is off if it is grayed out like this contact page. If you have any questions on how to edit, copy, or remove a page or hide it from the menu, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources and our YouTube channel. Thank you.